Hello everyone, it's me Rona. I am on the road again on another adventure as always, and today I'm going to be heading out to At Home, which is where we're going to do our meetup in the next couple of weeks. We actually got a couple of them scheduled, so make sure you go to my website and check out those dates and times, and you can also check below the video as well. And while we're there, I will be showing you some footage of exactly what we're going to be doing there. Gives you an opportunity to meet with someone who has a designer background, interior design background, that can help you with your project. So I'm looking forward to it. We'll be out there for a couple hours and we'll get a chance to walk throughout the entire store. So if you have questions, concerns, challenges about your interior design or your decoration project, that is definitely the event to attend. Now I'm going to show you some of the highlights of what you will be experiencing at the At Home field trip. Hosted by me, Rona. Brought to you by dmvinteriors.com. So the goal is a couple of days before you join me at the meetup, I'd like for you to be able to go through your room or space in your home that you want to address and identify the 7 elements of design. And if you don't have a copy of that download, of course you can get that by going to dmvinteriors.com. It's totally free. From there, download that and then look at your space and decide and determine whether or not you have addressed those 7 elements. And maybe they're not something that you want to address, but you can rule them out either way. Then fast forward to the event. We meet up together as a group and we go through the store, again, addressing those 7 elements. And then at some point, we will meet one-on-one to identify the areas that you see as a challenge, or perhaps you need additional insight and maybe some design expertise on. And that's generally how it works. Now, I'm not sure if you've noticed, as I've gone through each of the aisles in this store, I have literally addressed a majority of the 7 elements of design. Now, there are some places in the store that I couldn't get to because there were a lot of traffic and people walking around. So I didn't want to have, to edit out people throughout the entire video. But I'm hoping that you're able to see by looking at this video the assortment and the extensive variety that is available. Now, I have not seen this concentrated level of decor and decoration items in any store. And you know how vast and wide and expansive the DMV is. And so I'm really delighted to be able to meet with you and help you with your projects out here in this store, because they have a little bit of everything. There's some things here that you're not even able to see. For example, they have a huge outdoor selection. They have a lot of furnishings, chairs and sofas, and a lot of fillers that I think most homes would need, which is why I chose this particular location. Now, if you haven't already registered, there are multiple dates. Please go to my website, click on the link, go to the About, and from there you can register for the meetup, and I look forward to seeing you there. We're going to have a great time, and we're going to address some of those challenges that you're facing with your design project. I look forward to seeing you at the event. Take care.